guys, before I start the video, there's a few things you need to get ready. You need a 10mm spanner, you need a flathead screwdriver, you need a bigger socket wrench that is long enough for you to unbolt the steering with a 17mm socket attached to it. And of course you need the boss kit, which is the Works Bell boss kit, and it comes with all the accessories that you need. And of course the final piece of the puzzle would be the Nardi steering with the horn button. So usually when you get the boss kit, it would come with this ring attached in the entire housing, so you got to remove this ring, if not you won't be able to fit your horn button in. But that's about it, so let's cut the crap and go straight into the installation part. So as the first step, you need to do is to remove the airbag. And to remove the airbag, there is 2 holes on the side of the steering and 1 hole on the bottom. So you just need to take your flathead screwdriver, poke it into the hole, and you will feel a pin unlock the moment you poke it at the correct space. There we go, the airbag has been unlocked. So the next step is just to release the safety lock on the airbag socket, and right after that we remove the horn button socket, and that would release the entire airbag assembly. The next step would be to remove the steering, which is using the 17mm socket to release the nut behind the steering, but do not fully remove the nut, if not you will have difficulty finding the alignment. So it's best to just release it a bit and jerk the steering so that you get your leverage there. So what you see me doing now is I am installing the airbag bypass onto the airbag socket. There are 2 pins and 2 holes on the airbag socket, so you can just poke it in any of the holes, so there is not a positive and negative specific terminal, so any will do. The next step is to secure the airbag delete and the horn button into the boss kit. And as on my previous video, you will be able to see an arrow that is facing upwards on the boss kit, and you just slide the boss kit right into the alignment that is facing upwards, since that we know that the alignment of the steering is straight. After the boss kit is in, you just need to put the washer and the bolt on that comes with the hardware that Works Bell supplies, and then tighten it down with the 17mm socket as how you removed it. The next step would be to install the rubber protection around the boss kit, which will fit perfectly, and install the steering with all the hardware provided by the Works Bell boss kit, and just screw it on with the Allen key. here comes the next step, which is the horn button installation. So for the horn button, it's quite straightforward. Usually you just need to plug it in with the factory horn button wire at the back of the Nardi horn button. But in my case, on this specific car, the socket was a little bit tight, so I had to use the screwdriver to stretch it out a little bit in order to perfectly slide into the Nardi horn button. So the final step is to install the horn button into the boss kit. It's pretty simple. There is a spring behind the Nardi horn button where you need to compress the spring a little bit in order for it to slide right into the boss kit slot. But be a little bit careful right here because you don't want to damage your brand new steering. So just be a little bit careful with the screwdriver. Yo, so I have completed the fastest install of a Nardi Deep Corn Suede version with a Works Bell boss kit on a Toyota 86, and I guess everything went pretty smooth. I mean, there is nothing complicated about the install because I've done it so many times. But if you have any questions, you can just ask me on the comment section below. And hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel as usual, and I'll see you guys soon.